Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today I'm going to be doing a nail video for you. I have an inspiration from Pinterest that I'm going to be trying out today, and I actually have tried it out already with some press-on nails, but I'm going to be doing my acrylics and then I'm going to be polishing them. So I'm going to show you what my inspiration is. Each nail has a slightly different color. I did this last week with some impressed nails. Now, the impressed nails that I used were all leftover nails. I don't even know which ones they were anymore because I just combined them into one container. So I'm just going to show you what they looked like with the impress. There's like a light color on the thumb, a lighter color on the index finger, and it gradually gets a little darker except for the pinky, which was a little bit darker than the rest of them. So this was just to try and see how I liked this multicolor type look. I did these last week. I've had them on for a week and I really like them. I like how they look. They just look really pretty and they're in the, you know, lighter color. But I was shopping in TJ Maxx last weekend and I found the Nudes, and there are 5 colors and they really are in line with my inspiration from Pinterest. As you can see, the lightest color is It's a Match. The next one is Note to Selfie. Then it's Make Me Blush, A Whole Lot of Fun, like latte, a whole latte fun, and Au Naturel. So I thought these colors were so pretty, and so what I'm gonna do obviously is I'm gonna take these off. Then I'm just gonna prep my nails. I'm gonna put my Kiss acrylic nude. These are leftovers from the last time I did my nails, and I'm hoping the last time I polished my own Kiss acrylics. And you know, I hope I have enough nails here. I don't have enough of these nails, so I'm going to use the real short acrylics that I have. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get the other nails that I have that are the acrylics that I can polish. Alright, so I really wanted the longer length. These are the real short acrylics. So I'm going to take the nails off, put these on, and get to polishing.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnapped me down in a crowd, barefoot. Catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnapped me. Take me back, all the way back to them days. Gown and a crown, barefoot. Never made barefoot. As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. Barefoot. As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me. Take me back, all the way back to them days. Running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnap me. Take me back, all the way back.
The polish actually dries really nicely. It has a nice opaque finish, and the white on the thumb is not quite dry yet, but I think it will dry as good as these other nails dried. So let's see, what's the verdict? The verdict is, I wish that I had had longer nails to, I wish the acrylics, I had had enough of those, because I think a little bit longer would have looked a little bit better. But I do like the outcome. I think that they are pretty and feminine, and they're in the very light nude color. So yeah, I think that they are nice. They are not quite what this is, because this is more this has more like an orangey, peachy color. So I'm not quite sure if I love them, but they are certainly cute and different, and I'm going to keep them on, obviously, for at least a week. And I will put a clear coat on them just to, you know, try to protect the tips, because, you know, from washing dishes and everything like that, they will start to lose their, you know, the tips will get kind of worn very quickly if I don't put a clear. So I'm going to put a clear once these really dry. This polish does dry fairly quickly. It does go on easily, and it does dry fairly quickly. So that is my kind of different nail video for you today. Yeah, so you'll have to let me know what you think about this really different nail video. And I also wanted to share with you this new ring that I have, in case you were wondering, you saw it. It's got the fleur-de-lis on it. And if you, this is costume jewelry, but it's pretty nice jewelry. I like the fleur-de-lis. Now, if you are a Days of Our Lives fan and you know who Hope Brady is, and if you're a Days fan, of course you know who Hope Brady is, Christian Alfonso. She has a jewelry company, and I'm gonna get you the little box so you can see the name of the company. So her company is called Hope Faith Miracles, and it's a jewelry company. And she, Christian Alfonso, has a lot of different jewelry pieces, and her jewelry pieces are not inexpensive. Like this ring, I believe this ring was like $125, but she has some really great sales. Like I got this ring for 75% off because, or 60%. It was a huge discount. So when it's her birthday, or when it's one of her son's birthdays or her children's birthdays, she usually will send an email, and it's like incredible discounts. So so that's why I got this ring, because it was such a discount. I ordered it. And if you like the fleur-de-lis and you like Christian Alfonso, Hope Brady, it's kind of fun to get her jewelry. I've gotten a couple of other pieces from her collection. And like I said, I like the fleur-de-lis. I got these earrings a few years ago, quite a few years ago now. And they're cute. They're very easy. You know, they're just the little, like you just take this little piece, and they're, you know, they're pierced earrings. But these fleur-de-lis are really pretty. And then like about a year ago, I think it was, or it could be more than that now actually. Yeah, it's probably way more than that now, because we had a year of COVID, and I know I didn't buy these during COVID, but I got some more fleur-de-lis. These are really cute too. They have a more of a like a drop. But anyway, if you want to find jewelry, she has other things, not just fleur-de-lis, but I thought I would share that because I know I'm a fan, and it's kind of neat to get her jewelry. If you ever saw her on Days, she always had some fun jewelry on, then that was from her collection, so it's kind of neat. So yeah, if you're interested, I will link the website below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing, and I hope that you will come back. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Take care. Bye for now.